I see a lot of people and their main focus is they're trying to automate as much as possible. They want to automate their entire business, their online business, their lead generation, the whole flow from start to finish, because they want to take a back step. They want to work from the comfort of their own home. They want to earn an online income. That's what we're here to do. But they want to do it in a way that completely removes them from being in the foreground, which is where you need to be. I'm going to talk about some leveraging methods that I'm focused on and how to leverage you, because I think there's a big difference between trying to automate, and when we say automation, that does play a key role in what we're doing here, and there are a lot of tools out there that can help to automate a lot of stuff, but what we're really talking about is leverage. There's kind of a difference there, because yes, certain aspects of what you're going to be doing is going to automate because it's going to help, but that doesn't mean that you're going to be completely removed from the entire process. You need to be in the foreground. You're building that know, like, and trust with your audience. You're being authentic. You're in, for example, in the camera, like I am doing my YouTube videos. I'm on social media. I do videos on social media. I'm uploading my graphics or pictures, and I've got me in the graphics. What am I doing? I'm simply branding myself. And I think this is very important because, especially in network marketing, which is what we're doing here, if you're in affiliate marketing, network marketing, or if you're promoting an online business and you're passionate about that, you need to be the one in the forefront, really, so that people can know who they're going to be potentially working with, and they are looking for a sponsor. Guys, this is a really key thing in this space, because if you've got the right mindset, you're going to be attracting a lot of people. And honestly, no AI tool or system or whatever is going to completely remove you, and it shouldn't remove you. But there are many areas where AI tools and systems can really leverage you and make you more prominent in your journey, make you right there in the foreground, which is where you need to be. Then you can be regarded as an authentic marketer. You're responsible. You're not going to suddenly just run off and nobody can find wherever you've gone or whatever. I think it's very important to choose the right kind of tools, and that's what we're going to talk about in this video. First of all, guys, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. A lot of us talk about AI systems and a lot of marketing tools that have AI built in to do a lot of the heavy lifting, and AI tools are amazing because I use them every single day to do it. But for me, systems are not new. I've been running systems. I've been a systems creator since 2015. So a little bit about me and about my backstory. I've been in the network marketing industry for a very long time, a good number of years. I've had disappointments, failures, upsets, certain things that have been out of my control, because we've all been there. We've all struggled. Companies have come, and for that reason I've adapted myself. But I did get out of the industry because maybe I can admit the fact that actually I did give up at one point, although I will say that my kids were young and I was spending a lot of time with the kids. I wanted to be at home. I was doing my thing in Japan. I'm living in Japan. I'm still here in Japan. I was busy, but in 2015, I got back into the industry, but I realized something needed to change. What I was doing before that wasn't working, I needed to figure out a better way. I became more of a kind of a systems creator. And that doesn't mean you have to be technical. Certainly not nowadays, thanks to AI. We can set up funnels using done-for-you systems. We can set up landing pages, lead pages using share codes, and I've got so many share codes to share with my team that you can use, and these are done-for-you landing pages, funnels that you can set up within minutes, and they just literally work straight out of the box. And now, thanks to that added layer of automation and AI, which is the brand new big buzzword, we can use much more in the terms of leverage in order to build your business. Now, I've put together a system here with MLM Lead Pro that helps a lot of people. Why did I design the system in this way? Because since 2015, I've been creating systems myself. And not only that, I've been able to accumulate enough data and analytics to be able to prove that what works and what really doesn't work. And I've sifted a lot of stuff out. And now I can put together a system like MLM Lead Pro that just plain works, in my opinion. But more importantly, I'm in the trenches, just like you guys. I wanted to put a system together that I was going to use. I wanted to be a happy user of my own system. I'm not like that type of guru who just wants to sell a system to the masses and just make a whole lot of money out of you, but I never actually use the system. And that's very typical in this space. First of all, I'm not even selling this system. This system itself is free. Now, obviously, there are income streams on the inside, which is what you want because we're here to make money. But the system itself that I created here to help, this is the lead system. This is the step-by-step duplicatable team turnkey system that allows you to collect your leads, manage your leads, follow up with your leads, add your own income streams into the back, put in the programs of your choice, customize it so that you set up the presentation for your downline, that they see what businesses you've got in the back office, what you're passionate about. Then you only end up sharing one system, one link. And then when they come in, they're only ever going to see your join links to the programs that you've put in here, plus the profit centers that we've got here in step 1 and step 4, and also step 5 as well, further down here. But the good news is that we've got multiple ways to make money within this system. Just focus on getting one link out there, promoting one system. This is the focus. And for me, that's what I wanted. I wanted a system where I could manage everything in one place because I am disorganized. I needed that system that could take care of my disorganization. And all I needed to focus on was putting out one link and promote one system, focus on one thing, but everything on the inside was being promoted. As I continue to push this out there, get passionate about it, get eyeballs onto the pages, and we've got all that for you. They come through the done for you landing pages, the funnel, they get set up, and they only ever see your join links to the various programs. That's what makes this powerful. Just keep things simple, guys. That's what I want to say today. If you like the video and you want to get started, get on the link below or check out some of my other videos. Right now, you'll see some videos on the screen. Check them out and check out what else I've got. Subscribe to my channel and let's get in touch. Let's connect. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the inside. Bye for now.